working with. It can fly in two modes, the rollercopter way, in which way it will take off like this and then hover in the air. And it can also do a stiff wing flight. Right, so at the moment, this functions both as the landing gear for when the drone lands, but also as a stabilizer for when it's doing stiff wing flight. We would like to look into a way to strengthen these, strengthen the landing gear since it's pretty weak, and at the same time optimize its stability as it's flying. We'd like to try and make different designs for this, and do a bunch of test flights to figure out which design will give it the most stability as it's flying, and at the same time provide proper stability when doing the rollercopter landing. These three designs are the ones that we've come up with. We want to try with a triangle, with one that has a more sharp curve at the back end, and then we want to go with the original design, but with the holes filled out. On top of that, we want to remake the flaps in another material to make them more robust, seeing as they're pretty weak as they are right now. These flaps are one piece, that means they're attached to the body of the drone, so the new ones we'll make in another material will have to attach with hinges.
So I made 3D models of our designs. What's different, I used these cutouts for decreasing weight and also for adjusting center of gravity. And we have all three designs what we was talking about, so this is the first one, second one and third one. And we also made these parts which should be at the end of the wings for connecting all three landing gears.
So now we're gonna make the landing gear for our drone. We're gonna make them using 3 layers of carbon fiber. We've orientated all the fibers in the same direction because we believe that the landing gear will be in full bending. We're gonna make that now. Camera to measure the temperature of our chip. So about 140 to 145 degrees. Looks like it's going up. So now we're gonna wait for it to cool down so that we can take a look at it.
2,000 years later.
So it's Monday morning, and flaxseed fiber is done. We've just unpacked it. This is 4 layers of flaxseed, very strong by just using 4 layers. We're going to use these to cut out our third and last design for the end of the wings. It's going to be this one. So we'll cut it out and make them. Alright, so we just got our 3-layer carbon fiber plate out, which we're going to use to make new flaps. We've taken this flap off the drone, only one of them, just to make sure that this can actually be done. These flaps are going to be a little lighter and thinner than these flaps, but that's good because it's going to make up for the increased weight that we're going to add when we put on our new landing gear. So the weight is hopefully going to balance out for us. We've made our first design in glass fiber. These were made using 4 layers of glass fiber. We've made some slight adjustments to the design. We've made these section cuts. This is in order to move the center of mass to the right place. We're very happy with the stability and the strength of it. They're a lot stronger than the originals. They are a lot heavier though, about 4 times as heavy. But we're going to have to put them on and test them out to see if it's going to fly. Here we have our new landing gear. This is one of the designs. There are 3. They are screwed on to this 3D printed mount, which we've also made. The fiber direction on the flaps and on the landing gear is multi-directional. So we've managed to stay close to the original weight of the drone, while the flaps are heavier than the original foam ones. The landing gear is actually lighter than the original plastic. So the weight is about the same as when we started working on the drone.